backing up. Alright, hold up.
Yeah. Running up the bank, rollie on my wrist. Cross neck, don't ask about the cost of my fit. Pop a text, you can't go outside, you better stay. I don't know the path, but this the route that I'ma take. Damn, go fund me crazy, gotta rebuild. I'm not from Tampa, baby, I can show you how we got here. Pushing P, production fee, ROD, look, I'm the G. Living life pimpin', I ain't fearing, rather be feared. Roll a 3-5 just to meditate. Drunk and love all whiskey, the sativa help to medicate. Walking rooms, smelling good, heaven sent into the heaven gates. I keep it Peter and Mo so I can see if you can't resonate. Who you know is fly as me, who really get high as me. Call up Wiz and Uncle Dog, they know who the prodigy. Shout out to my day ones, they know who I'm bound to be. A legend in the making, Don Dada Raj, as you can see. In my back end for a show, I won't show up. 10 cards deep, don't know the squad until you know us. Can't toast to my success unless we spark before we pull up. Can't do it like me, baby, shadow clones the way they own us. Damn, I meant to say the way they own me. Ballin' black mama, left-handed like Ginobili. With this rapping shit, flow, style, dope lyrics. Rogers 27, but the vibes damn near pushing 40. Hey, Raj. Yeah, whoa, nigga lock in. Bad like Mike, keep it all rap. When Cole might take it pop then. Pop now, we lit like KK, watch the money stack in. I'm a dying, a legend in the making. Player, this a different bracket. Here's a tip, look, I ain't taxing. Still my style, we on and poppin'. I keep it breezy though, new lingo. Switch up every time I re-up at the fucking stove. Ayy, since legit, I had visions of me outside with the hits. Bases loaded, time to bring this one back home just for the win. OJ and Jen, Kush smoking the air, blasting music, it's my newest. Drop this tape on SoundCloud, my real fans know who the truest. ROD, look, I'm the G, get paid to say that line. Time to time, new hunters come, it's clear to say it's Ramadan. Then I'm signing, sheesh. Afternoon swim, drowning, leaving Louis V. Production doing numbers, safe to say I'm pushing P. So this the best day ever. It's the best day ever. GOAT, 90s baby, 97 to be exact. KK stinging out the pack. Damn, I think I used that bar before. Yeah, more than before. Stinging like a bee, floating on this beat like butterflies. If you think you ballin', understand I had the double size.